Welcome, sir.
Please come.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anugri Shukla,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
Sir, I'm fine.
Okay. This is a simple interview.
Yes, sir.
You answer whatever you know. If you don't know, say don't know.
Yes, sir.
And start concentrating here only.
Yes, sir.
Forget what I am doing. You can answer in Hindi or English. Most of it we know from your PIQ form.
Yes, sir.
Some more we would like to know.
Sure, sir.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
Sir, my name is Ankur Shukla. I've just completed my 12th standard from Nehru Smart Vidyalaya, Kendra. This is a school in Jayanagar. So I come from, I'm originally from Lucknow, but I've been staying in Bangalore for the past 4 years. Completed my 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. My father is in the army, he is a lieutenant colonel. He is currently posted in Manipur. He is with the Assam Rifles and his experience is posted in India now. My mother used to teach, but she has left the school for the past 2 years.
Okay, tell me about your parents, whom are you close and why?
So I'm equally close to both, but sometimes, because since my father is staying away from us currently, so I feel a little closer to my mother because sometimes she's always there to support me.
Okay, about your father, what you would like him to improve?
So as of now, there's nothing I'd like to improve with him.
Okay.
He's really caring and
Okay, okay. So, you have got any siblings?
yes, sir. I have a younger sister named Ramishi. She is studying in Army Public School. She is in 8th class.
Okay. What are you contributing to her?
Sir, she does not. She is slightly means free time. She doesn't study so much. So I make sure that she studies. I give her homework. I let her play. But I basically take care of her studies. And sometimes she wants to play, so I allow her to play.
Okay. So, have you been to the places where your father was posted?
Yes, sir. I've been to all but his current posting.
Okay. Which is the place you like the best and you would like to remember?
So I like Udhampur the most. He was posted in headquarters, Northern Command. So I like that place a lot because being the headquarters of the Northern Command, it had a lot of facilities. Like it had.
What facilities you made use, so that you are getting more and more knowledgeable to join the army?
Sir, I was the facilities I used were the basketball court over there was a really good one. It had wooden flooring, and I really learned a lot about basketball in that place.
Okay.
The library I saw in that place was the biggest I've seen till date. There I read many books also, which helped me.
Okay. Which is the best book you read out of till today?
So till today, my favorite book is the autobiography of Chris Kyle. He was an American sniper, and he has the record of being sniper with most kills till date.
Okay. Now you remember that there is SEALs,
Yes, sir.
action of American SEALs,
Yes,
that is on Osama bin Laden.
Yes, sir.
So what do you know about it?
So the SEALs, it was carried out on 2nd April 2011, and the SEALs had got information. They came to know that Osama bin Laden was hiding in a house in Abbottabad. So they went there, and it was a really stealth operation. Nobody knew about it, and they successfully carried out the operation.
Okay. Yeah. Now about this spying espionage, you have got information. What does it help you to develop yourself?
Sorry, sir.
Espionage, spying,
Yes,
how
sir.
it helps you?
Sir, it tells me about how to be not disclose too much information and gather as much information as I can.
Okay. Specifically, the SEALs have conducted. So how they could make out he is hiding there?
So basically, it was thanks
In case
to.
you know about it, it's fine.
So according to me, from what I perceive, they had a lot of intelligence. They had extremely good sources, reliable sources that could grant them this thing.
Okay. Now tell me from your school till today, one teacher less liked, one subject less liked with reasons.
So I like all my teachers equally, but there was one teacher in my 11th and 12th class, Mr. Srinivas. He was very well read. He was from TIFR in Mumbai. He had a very good grasp on the subject. But sometimes he would go a little fast, and so we would have a little trouble in understanding what he was saying. And
did you make an attempt to communicate him?
Yes, I communicated with him. Every time I would communicate, he would explain it. He would give me some extra time. He would come. But it happened a couple of more times. I told him.
Which is the subject you less liked?
So the subject I liked a little less was chemistry because there was a lot to learn in that. Subjects like physics and maths, you understand the concept, you can go on practicing. But chemistry, you have to memorize a lot.
Okay. Which is the subject Srinivas was teaching?
So he used to teach chemistry. So.
Chemistry.
Yes.
So how much you got in chemistry?
Chemistry scored 88. The lowest rate was
Okay. Now, tell me about your routine on Sundays, holidays, and weekends. Tell me about your sports and games, your hobbies. Who's your friend, best friend? Why is your best friend? Tell me national, international events, and tell me the latest equipment which army is going to buy.
Sir, my routine on a Sunday currently is I wake up slightly late, say around 8ish. Then I make my bed, I make all the other beds in the room. I see mostly because the dishes, the maid doesn't come on Sundays. So I wash the dishes, then I help my mother keep the dishes. I clean the washrooms as they get dirty during the week. My father has not taken his car with him to Northeast, so I clean the car and make sure that it's running. I started for a while. Then after that, after all these daily chores have been done, then I am interested in Python, the computer language. So I spent some time learning Python. I purchased a course online, so I learned from that. And before this, I've also learned some few languages like Java and HTML. Since SSB is around the corner, I spend a lot of time preparing for SSB as well. That's typically my schedule. In the afternoons, I take a little bit rest, say around for 1 hour or so, and after that I go for basketball. There are 2 courts near my house. I play a lot in them. I've made many friends over there, and we have a good match. And I come back in the evening. I relax a little since it's the football season these days. I watch the matches because I have been supporting Belgium. I've seen all their matches till now, and after that I eat my dinner and I go to sleep early. That's how I spend my days. So after that, so my hobbies include listening to music, playing the guitar, reading encyclopedias. Although after 10th, I've not read so many books because I could focus on academics a little more. So after my 12th exams have been over, I've restarted. I've started picking up encyclopedias again. I've read some old books, and so I'm picking them back up. A friend I was close to, his name was Dave. So he has been selected for India. He was part of the India 140 course. I like him a lot because firstly he used to stay under me. I was on 6th floor, he was on ground floor. So we had the same class, same section, everything was same. And as time passed, I found out that we had the same studying patterns, we liked the same things. He also used to play the guitar, so many times I used to go to his house to play with him. Sometimes he used to come to my house. And we both had a liking for the subject math. So every time he had a problem, I would help him. He had a problem, I would help him. And that's how we spent most of our time. We enjoyed it a lot. Now currently he is in India, and I hope to talk to him in December again. So 5 most important news in this recent times are the Kim Jong-un and Donald Trump's meeting in Sentosa Island in Singapore, where they signed upon an agreement that if North Korea denuclearizes itself completely, the United States of America will remove all its sanctions and will allow free trade. So another news is, sir, the fall of the government in Jammu and Kashmir, followed by the president's rule, the governor's rule. The governor is Emin Bora, so he will be running for the government presently, and they have been given 6 months time. The EC has been given 6 months time to reconduct the elections, filling which they will be answerable. So another important news which I think is, sir, USA pulling out of the Iran deal. That in exchange for it is similar to the North Korean deal, because in exchange for the denuclearization, USA had lifted sanctions. But in May 2015, suddenly Donald Trump pulled out of the deal, and which has caused a lot of loss to the markets. So the Indian Army recently is planning to acquire many new weapons and technologies. I'm not very sure of them. I will check them and get back to you.
Anything else you forgot?
No, sir. Have I forgotten anything?
Okay, well, you have covered all.